Welcome.
Asante.
Asante.
Kabisa. I'm here for you, brother.
So hello guys, here we are. This is Grace Care Mission. For my tiny subscribers, I welcome everyone. Today it's God's plan. I don't know. I never told this guy here that I am here. And he's here like, who is this?
Guys, this is Burundian traveler here. Actually, I'm meeting Grace Care just right now because I was coming to see one of my friends here who is working in this.
Let's stand it there this side because they were there. Yeah.
I think
this is Burundian traveler here.
Guys, I'm here. Yeah, you know. I
asked him the other day and then he told me that I've already left, but also
no,
my son
was
leaving today.
I told you that I go to Tanzania.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I went to Tanzania by yesterday and I think yesterday.
Today?
Yeah, I went in Tanzania and come back. But at the evening, around that night.
You are leaving today?
Yeah, you know Tanzania is not far. It's just right there.
I
went in the morning.
You see, you can walk like
in the villages.
Even in that, when you walk like that,
yeah.
you will reach Tanzania.
It's
not
there.
far.
Not far.
There where those children are.
Yes.
So what do you think about meeting? Because
guys, actually, it's an amazing moment. Yeah? Most of the time, I really love when I meet my friends, my fellow YouTubers. You know. Not easy sometimes.
You know, sometimes even when I was in Nairobi, I just met some people. I was just wanted to go, but then on the stairs I met some other people.
So sometimes it's happened, man.
Yeah,
and,
it happened like
I really
that.
like it a lot.
So what do you think about the Grace Care Mission?
Guys, Grace Care Mission is just that one who knows. On YouTube it's like that.
She's no like fake. That.
No faking, no whatever. It's a Grace Care here. What about me? Most people say they think like I'm a big guy, a tall guy.
I thought that you were very tall.
Oh.
I thought that you were very tall.
I'm not tall. I'm just.
I'm
guys, I'm not tall. I'm not short. Maybe I'm just there.
You can go even for a police. You can go to. To get a police. What do you call?
A police what?
To be a policeman.
Yeah, I can.
An army, like, yeah.
Why? But why? Because I walk a lot.
Eh? Because you walk a lot. Like, right now, that is it. What
I was walking around for 40 minutes right now. I was somewhere walking around the 40 minutes up to here.
So this is Grace Care Mission. This is Burundian travel.
Burundian travel.
We are at Marwa's place.
I'm from Burundi, you know.
Are you from Burundi?
No, I mean I'm from Burundi, you know.
Yeah.
I think you don't know. I'm Burundian guy.
I know that.
Yeah. So I'm telling you that I'm from Burundi. But for now I'm in Kenya, you know. So for that people who don't know me or maybe feel to know me.
What's your real name? John.
My real name is...
You should be John.
I think it's Jean Cloud. But
Jenny
if you go in English, it's John Cloud.
You see, I got even the name.
Yeah, that is English.
So what do you think about Kenyan people here? Like,
they're so good, man. Their hospitality is amazing. I really love Kenyan people. They're such amazing people. So, oh, may God keep bless you guys and your country, you know.
Kenyans, you are hearing that?
I really love Kenyan.
And what do you think about the weather? Because like now,
weather is good. It's good, but sometimes
the weather is
maybe
changing.
also about it, weather. It depends on a
The
place where you are.
climate.
You see,
Is it
if
the
I'm
same
here,
like?
is different to Nairobi, you know. So here there is
Here is the village.
Yeah. Yes.
So,
But I really love Kenya actually, because if even you go to see on my videos on YouTube, most of the time majority people from Kenya,
there are a
country
lot.
of Kenya, country of
watching
Kenya
you.
are still there in the people who are watching
Like
me.
3/4.
I think sometimes it's number 1, number 2, number 1, number 2.
Mine is like number 2.
Oh, for me it's number 1.
You see,
Especially if I do a
you are
new video in
supporters.
Kenya, Kenya is number 1.
They come like boom.
Yeah, like 70%.
Yeah.
The next take like 45, 50.
45 to 50.
So they are trying to help
That's
to support
nice.
the Burundian traveler.
Because they want to focus where you are. Where are you heading to? What is this guy doing here?
And what I
That
like
is it.
about them, even though I go in Burundi and make videos, I still get that country in number. Maybe when I'm in Burundi, maybe more people are from Burundi, or maybe another country than Burundi, but Kenya still there. Maybe can be number 3 or number 2.
That's nice,
Yeah.
actually.
So I really love them, guys.
Because guys from
Kenya.
Kenya, Prudent love you so much.
Yeah,
Where
big
you
up.
are. So you haven't asked me anything. So what do you think about Grace Kelly? Because
Grace
this is
Kelly.
the village. I'm used to the village, like cooking with the fire, good
Yeah, you have
smoke everywhere.
Your videos is amazing. I really love your
A lot
videos
of-
actually. And I was thinking maybe to come and visit your village one day. You cook that food. What's that?
Which one? Matoke or which one?
I don't remember another food I saw you cook. Yeah,
So-
guys, I need to visit her maybe. But
Maybe
I'm
you
not sure.
plan, maybe anytime.
You know,
anytime you plan.
these days sometime, you know,
If you have
depend on-
reached Kisii from Kisii to
Kisii,
my
I
home,
went in
it's like
Kisii.
100 shillings.
it's not far.
And then if you come to the States, you can walk home.
I
We
always
don't
pass
even-
in Kisii actually.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I always pass.
So if I reach Kisii, I only pay $1 to my home. From there, I don't bother any matatu or any motorbike. I usually walk home. It's not that far. Yeah.
Oh wow.
So-
Guys, maybe we'll visit one day.
Yeah,
can
you are
visit.
welcome, Brundan.
Thank you.
So this is Brundan Traveler here.
Yes,
We
guys.
are at
Marwa's
Mara's house. And this is how it looks here. Is it finishing? It's not even finishing.
You can know the plan. You can't know.
Yeah. He's doing some like finishing maybe, but it's not finishing. Yeah, because like now it has already changed. When I was here, Burundi, and it was not like this.
Oh really?
It was like even the shape was not like that. Yeah. So it is amazing. There is a very big change. Yeah, that's what I can see. There is a big change. So
He really do amazing work, you know.
yeah,
Congratulations to him and
tomorrow, congratulations.
he really make more YouTubers or more young people, not about YouTubers, who feel like you can try to change something in our life.
Yeah, that's very nice
Proud
today.
to have an African like him.
Yeah, maybe we don't know. Maybe 1%, one out of 10 or 2. Yeah, that's it. So we are going to end this video here. It was like I don't know what I can say, but
No
I'm very
plan.
much happy. It was not planned. Like I thought that he has already left Kenya, but he came by himself. God pushed him. God pushed him. Go, 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 go. So if you are in my channel, go support Burundian Traveler.
Thank you.
Subscribe to his
And guys,
channel.
if you are from me, do the same. Please
Yeah.
support my sister over
Yeah,
here.
Rescue mission. So we may end up this video here because of the weather. It just started
Rain is
also to
coming.
rain. Yeah. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you. So
Kau kemana lagi?